In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cook couscous. Now, couscous is little granulated semolina or pasta. It's a great side dish or a base for a bowl or a meal builder. I love it because it only takes 5 minutes to cook. So let's make it. In a small sauce pot, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. The olive oil is going to separate the couscous when it cooks, and also water. Now the ratio of couscous to water is 1.4 cups of water to 1 cup of couscous. And I'll write all that stuff down in the directions right below the video. And then some brands, if you buy the box at the store, they sometimes have a packet. I like to make my own with some onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. So I'm also going to add that in there. Now, we're gonna bring this to a boil, and after that, we'll add the couscous. What's great is that if you don't wanna use water, you can also use chicken stock or chicken broth, and it adds flavor to your couscous. I grew up in Spain, and my grandmother would just, out of the soup, put some into the couscous, and then that's what we had on the side. It makes great summer salads, so many recipe options, and it's something that I often include in my meal plans as an option because let's face it, sometimes you can get tired of rice or pasta or potatoes. So couscous, although it does come from semolina pasta, just like spaghetti, it is such a great option because it feels like you're eating something different, and again, it's my favorite because it's 5 minutes. So now that our seasoned water is boiling, we're gonna add the couscous. We are gonna give it a stir, make sure it's all good in there. And then we turn off the heat and cover it. And that's it. 5 minutes, it's ready. So what's great about couscous is that you can meal prep or cook it ahead of time. And once it's cooled down, you can refrigerate it, keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and use it to build meals, salads, lunches, so many options. And if you just love those kinds of tips and you want to know how can you cook food ahead of time, make sure to check the link right below the video where I'll send you a weekly plan that you can sample some recipes, see how I create shopping lists for you and a meal prep sheet, all that right below. All right, so in just 5 minutes, all you gotta do is lift up the lid, grab a fork and fluff it. And by fluffing it, you just go like this. And all of a sudden you have such a delicious base for side dishes, your meals. Now I love to top this with roasted vegetables, some magic chicken, just like that, 5-minute couscous. Now remember, right below this video, I'm gonna share with you a sample meal plan, so many tips and resources and other delicious recipes you can serve with couscous. See you next time.